Ready to make your aquarium look like a mystical underwater forest? Dive into the world of goth plants for a dark and moody aesthetic. In previous videos, I've covered red and pink aquatic plants, which are great. But sometimes you just want to have a dark, moody looking tank, especially if you've got brightly colored fish and critters that will stand out against the deep hues. So let's get into some of my favorite goth plants for aquariums. Spoiler, if you're a fan of bukes, then you're gonna be very happy. Now, why would you want a dark and moody tank? Well, for one, it creates a dramatic contrast that highlights vibrant colors of fish and other tank inhabitants. Plus, it gives your aquarium a unique look that sets it apart from the standard green or brightly colored setups. In this video, we're going to explore some amazing goth plants that are perfect for achieving that look. We'll cover their native origins, basic care requirements, and even throw in some fun facts about each plant. First up, we have the Bucephalandra Black Pearl. This plant is truly the gem of any tank. It originates from the island of Borneo in the Southeast Asia, where it thrives in fast-flowing streams and rivers. The natural habitat of the black pearl gives it a unique resilience and adaptability, making it a great choice for, honestly, various aquarium setups. When it comes to care, this plant is relatively low maintenance. It prefers low to medium lighting and does well in a range of water parameters. Simply attach it to rocks or driftwood and it will slowly grow and spread out over time. Fun fact about the Bucephalandra Black Pearl is its unique leaf patterns. These leaves are dark, almost black, with subtle iridescent hues that shimmer under aquarium lighting. This makes it an eye-catching addition to any tank, adding depth and contrast to your aquatic landscape. Next up on our list is the Bucephalandra Black Mist. This enigmatic beauty hails from the same region as the Black Pearl, Borneo. The Black Mist is known for its mysterious and captivating appearance. In terms of requirements, the Black Mist is similar to its cousin, the Black Pearl. It thrives in low to medium lighting and can tolerate a range of water parameters. This makes it another excellent choice for aquarists looking to add a touch of gothness, I guess, to their tanks without too much hassle. Fun fact about the Black Pearl is its ability to change colors. Under different lighting conditions, you might notice the leaves taking on various shades of dark green, blue, or even purple. This dynamic coloration can add an extra layer of intrigue to your aquarium. Next up, we have the Bucephalandra Black Galaxy, a true starry wonder in the world of aquatic plants. Like the other Bucephalandras we've mentioned, this plant also comes from Borneo. The Black Galaxy stands out with its dark leaves speckled with tiny white spots that resemble stars in a night sky. Caring for this plant is fairly straightforward. It prefers low to medium lighting and can adapt to a variety of water conditions just like other Bucephalandras. It grows best when attached to rocks or driftwood. Fun fact about the Bucephalandra Black Galaxy is its galaxy-like speckles. These tiny white spots on the dark leaves give it a celestial appearance, making your tank look like a miniature universe. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of the cosmos to your aquatic setup. Next up is the Bucephalandra, I told you there's a lot of books here, Dark Skeleton King, which truly lives up to its regal name. This plant also originates from Borneo. When it comes to care requirements, Dark Skeleton King follows the same trend as other Bucephalandras. It thrives in low to medium lighting and can handle a range of water parameters. This makes it another low maintenance option for aquarists looking to add some royal darkness to their tanks. A fun fact about the Bucephalandra Dark Skeleton is its regal leaf structure. These leaves have a unique pattern that almost looks skeletal, giving it an eerie, yet, in my opinion, elegant appearance. This makes it a standout piece in any aquarium, adding a touch of royalty and mystery. Last but not least, we have the Black Magic Taro. Unlike the Bucephalandras we've discussed so far, this plant belongs to the Colocasia family and originates from Southeast Asia. The Black Magic Taro is known for its large, dark leaves that create a dramatic focal point in any tank. Caring for this plant requires a little more attention compared to Bucephalandras. It prefers moderate to high lighting and slightly acidic water conditions. Make sure to provide it with enough nutrients through root tabs or liquid fertilizers to keep it thriving. A fun fact about the Black Magic Taro is its ancient symbolism and folklore. In many cultures, taro plants are considered mystical and often associated with magic and protection. Adding this plant to your aquarium not only enhances its visual appeal, but also brings a touch of ancient mystique. But one thing I do want to point out is that the Black Magic Taro is not a fully submersed plant. You will need to have an opening in your aquatic lid to let it grow out of your tank. Now let's address a common issue you might encounter. What if your black plant starts turning green? Don't panic. This can happen due to several reasons, but it's usually something we can fix with a few adjustments. First off, check your lighting conditions. While most black plants prefer low to medium light, too much light can cause them to lose their dark coloration and turn green instead. If you suspect this might be the case, try reducing your light intensity or duration. Next, consider your water parameters. Some black plants may change color if they're not getting the right nutrients or if there's an imbalance in your tank's chemistry. Make sure you're providing adequate fertilization and maintaining stable water conditions. Lastly, remember that some color variation is natural for these plants and might not be something you need to worry about too much. As long as your plant looks healthy overall, with no signs of rot or disease, slight color changes are just a part of their charm. But keeping an eye on these factors and making necessary adjustments can help you maintain that beautiful dark aesthetic to your aquarium. So there you have it, a rundown of some of the most captivating goth plants for your aquarium. My thanks to these companies for letting me feature their listings in this video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to experiment with these beautiful black plants in your own tank. If you have any thoughts or experiences with goth plants, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more aquatic plant content. Thanks for watching and happy aquascaping.